Advanced vision systems inspect every donut for shape, color, and size, ensuring only products that meet strict quality standards continue.
Every minute, hundreds of perfectly golden donuts leave this production line. Behind every bite is a carefully engineered process. This fully automated facility produces thousands of fresh donuts every hour, with every stage carefully synchronized to maintain
Every batch begins with carefully selected ingredients sourced from certified suppliers to ensure consistent flavor, texture, and product safety. Every ingredient is tested before production begins, ensuring it meets strict quality standards for food safety, freshness, and consistency.
Computer-controlled measuring systems weigh every ingredient with exceptional accuracy, ensuring every batch follows the exact production recipe. Powerful industrial mixers combine ingredients into a smooth, elastic dough, creating the perfect foundation for light and fluffy donuts.
After mixing, the dough is allowed to rest. This relaxation period helps the gluten settle, making the dough easier to shape while improving its final texture.
Warm temperature and controlled humidity activate the yeast, allowing the dough to rise naturally and develop its light, airy structure. Powerful sheeting rollers flatten the dough into an even layer, ensuring every donut begins with the exact same thickness. High-speed rotary cutters produce perfectly shaped donut rings with remarkable speed and precision, ensuring consistent size in every batch. Laser sensors continuously measure the dough, making tiny adjustments to guarantee perfectly uniform donuts throughout production.
Unused dough is automatically collected and recycled back into production, reducing waste while maintaining efficient manufacturing.
Before frying, the donut rings undergo a final proofing stage. They become lighter and fluffier as the yeast completes its work.
The proofed dough gently enters the continuous fryer, where carefully controlled temperatures create the donut's signature golden crust.
The first side fries gently, creating a crisp outer layer while keeping the inside soft and airy.
A precision flipping system turns every donut at exactly the right moment, ensuring both sides cook evenly. The second frying stage completes the donut's signature golden finish while locking in its soft, fluffy interior. Freshly fried donuts pass over a draining conveyor where excess oil is removed, preparing them for cooling, decoration, and packaging. The freshly fried donuts enter a controlled cooling system, allowing excess heat to escape while preserving their soft interior, crisp golden crust. If a donut fails inspection, automated air jets remove it instantly, protecting the consistency and quality of every package.
A smooth curtain of premium chocolate coats each donut evenly, creating the rich, glossy finish loved by millions.
Automated decorating systems add colorful toppings with remarkable precision, giving every donut an attractive and consistent appearance. Precision filling nozzles inject smooth cream or fruit jam into selected donuts, creating a rich surprise inside every bite. Before packaging, every decorated donut receives one final inspection to verify appearance, weight, and overall quality. High-speed wrapping machines seal every donut inside protective packaging, preserving freshness during transport and storage.
Laser printers apply production details and traceability codes, allowing every package to be tracked throughout the supply chain.
Robotic packing systems arrange the finished products into shipping cartons with speed, precision, and consistent organization. Industrial robots stack completed cartons onto pallets, preparing large shipments for safe transportation to distribution centers.
The finished donuts are stored in a fully automated warehouse, where advanced inventory systems prepare each shipment for fast and efficient distribution. Once packaged, the donuts are carefully loaded. They are put into refrigerated delivery trucks, preserving freshness as they begin their journey.
Temperature-controlled transport keeps every donut fresh and protected until it reaches supermarkets, cafes, and bakeries. After arriving at retail stores, the donuts are carefully displayed, ready for customers to enjoy their fresh taste and soft texture.
Every perfectly crafted donut represents the precision, technology, and craftsmanship behind modern food manufacturing.
From carefully selected ingredients to fully automated production, every step works together to deliver millions of delicious donuts with reliable.
Thank you for exploring how donuts are made. Join us next time as we take you inside another incredible factory to